ever wondered how those miniature trees in ornamental pots are grown and maintained? Welcome to the world of bonsai gardening, an art form originating from Japan that combines horticultural techniques and artistic applications. Dive into the world of bonsai gardening and discover the art of creating these miniature wonders. Creating a bonsai tree is not as complex as it seems. It's a process that requires patience, care, and a bit of creativity. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to select the right tree species for your bonsai. Some species are more suited to the bonsai form than others, so do some research and choose wisely. Once you have your tree, you'll need to find a suitable pot. The size and shape of the pot can greatly influence the growth and final appearance of your bonsai. Next, prune your tree. Pruning encourages a compact growth habit, which is essential for creating that classic bonsai look. But remember, less is often more when it comes to pruning. Once you've pruned your tree, it's time to wire the branches. Wiring allows you to mold the branches into your desired shape. It's a delicate process, but with patience, you can create a truly unique bonsai tree. After wiring, you'll need to repot the tree periodically to maintain its miniature size. And of course, provide appropriate care in terms of watering, lighting, and feeding. Remember, each bonsai tree is unique, and the joy of bonsai gardening lies in the journey, not just the destination. Bonsai gardening is a rewarding hobby that brings a piece of nature into your home. Why not give it a go? You'll be amazed at how these miniature trees can transform a space. Share your bonsai journey with us. We'd love to see your progress and celebrate your successes. If you found this guide useful, help us grow by pressing that like button. And don't miss out on our future gardening adventures by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening insights. Remember, the world of bonsai is waiting for you.